Hi, I'm Jon Brouchoud, and I'll be demonstrating how easy it is to create your own VR training and educational content using Acadicus. First, choose your starting environment. Then, add whatever assets or props that you need and save your scene. We can bring in any assets or environments that you need for your project. When your scene is ready, press record. Acadicus then begins recording your voice, your movements, the object interactions, and everything that occurs during the recording. When you're done, you can save your recording into your scene, and you can add a playback object to that scene as well. Now, anyone with access to that scene can enter and watch your 3D recording. They can enter in VR mode using an Oculus Rift VR headset, or using the 2D PC viewer mode. It's that simple. With Acadicus, you can quickly and easily teach, train, and present anything in VR. It's like being able to step into a training video and become an active participant where you can follow along and interact with objects in the scene. Learn more about creating your own VR instructional content at acadicus.com.